Hello guys, now almost everyone is looking for the revision plan because it's been November mid and in few days November will get over and almost it is 18th of 19th of November. I'm shooting this video on 20th of November. Almost November is about to over. We are going to enter into the December and then Jan. So we are having roughly you can say 70 days, and in this 70 days you need a perfect revision plan because revision is more than your preparation plan. Because if you have prepared everything but if you have not revised things properly, then many pages will be waste. Many of your content, even though they are on fingertips, you will not be able to use them in your GATE exam properly. So I will suggest you the first thing, anyone will guide you for your personal preparation. I mean to say, mostly I make videos for those students who are not capable of joining any coaching center and they are preparing by self-study. Again, by maintaining same pace, this video is extremely helpful for those students who are watching me regularly as a guidance and students who are actually preparing GATE exam by self-study. Students who are already enrolled with me for 1 year, 2 year and 3 year program, for them no need to watch this video because I am already guiding them whenever they are contacting me, or I am going through the results of their test series, and after that I used to advise to my regular batch students. And in most of the cases when students join me, they don't talk to me properly like on every day, on every 2-3 days. Like no, they prepare, even though they are my regular batch students, but they prepare things in their way once the syllabus gets over. Like they take everything in their own hand. Anyway, that is their own wish. But many students, like roughly you can say 60% students, they do what I said. Like they take the entire program in their own way. Like they think that now syllabus got over, so now there is no need of sir. I mean, it's like they feel more comfortable to go for the remaining preparation, I mean test series and all in their own way, because they don't want to solve test series under my pressure. They don't want to complete the test series on my time. They are like, see, I will tell you, when they were preparing the syllabus, that time on my regular timings, like whenever I used to take timings, they used to visit the class and they used to have notes and everything. But nowadays, when the syllabus got over, when I used to go to my admin panel side on my website, I used to check like how many students have done how many test series. Then I used to come to know that okay, this particular student is doing really well and this particular student is not at all solving test series. Then how will they come to know that where are they stand, where do they stand? So now point is, those students who have not taken the test series or who don't want to take the test series, their preparation plan will be very different. First, I will talk about those kind of students who have taken test series from me or from any other institute. Okay, in this 70 days plan, you make like this: 10 days, 10 days, 10 days, 10 days. Or if you are watching this video when only 50 days are remaining, in that case you equally give your timing to 5 subjects like engineering, mathematics. This one you have to give one side, and propulsion, structure, aerodynamics and flight mechanics. Make sure propulsion and structure will require more of your available timings. Okay, these subjects are having it's like their own gravity in the preparation plan and in your GATE exam as well. I am not underestimating flight mechanics and aerodynamics because if you will see the marks, many students get exactly equal marks in in propulsion and structure what they score in flight mechanics and aerodynamics also. See, the way I said that propulsion and structure, they have their own gravity. I mean to say that if you are scoring 100% questions of propulsion and structure, then your value will be like far up as compared to other subjects, because propulsion and structure, they have like more number of questions appearing in GATE exam. Okay, now when I say propulsion, then of course thermodynamics I include in that, and when I say aerodynamics, then some small questions of fluid mechanics I include in that, and in aircraft structure, of course, strength of material, these things, vibrations and all are included. That's why the volume used to be more as compared to aerodynamics and flight mechanics. Especially in flight mechanics, like you don't have much volume to cover, but whatever volume is there, that volume will boost your score at any cost. So some students are comfortable with subject wise preparation plans. So now if students have, like you guys have taken test series from me or from any other institute, then this is the right time to solve all the topic wise test series as soon as possible. Okay, because my students, whoever like enrolled with me for a 2023 preparation, currently this video is not for 2024 or 2025 or those batches. This is solely dedicated for 2023 batch. So if you guys are for that one, then this is helpful. So for 2023, if you are going to attempt, then make sure by the end of December you are not remaining with any topic wise, subject wise, chapter wise test series. Okay, you have to cover these test series at a time, at any cost. Now when you will be solving this test series, then you will be analyzing your result, and if you have joined in my test series, then you will be totally aware of the solutions are properly mentioned after you submit the test series. So you can go through the solution and you can match your answer with solution. Answers are also there, solutions are also there, and for some tough questions and for some important questions I have also given video solution. So those things are already there. So my students are doing well in their own way. Like we are having some kind of communication like after the class and during the class as well, and sometimes on WhatsApp, and like I am easily accessible to my own students. But actually 19th, 28th and 21st of this month I'm not taking the classes these 3 days, because any classes, not for pilots, not for students, not for, because actually I am busy in some other meetings. Very soon I'll be giving you some very good news, and heartily congratulations to Vikram S and the team is Skyroot. Now another point, let's revise. If students are in like doing test series, okay, topic wise test series, chapter wise test series, subject wise test series, then they will come to know that what are the portions they are not ready with. It means what? No need of anyone's guidance, immediately jump to the test series, revise through the test series, and whenever you are lagging in any particular test, go to your notebook, revise that notebook and jump to your assignment, watch that assignment solution again, and then you will be comfortable. Okay, make sure, because it is November month about to end, so in December month you have to solve all previous year question papers as well, because that is very important part of your preparation. Okay, and again I am saying, don't try to judge yourself based on previous year preparation, based on previous year question papers. It is totally wrong logic to judge yourself based on previous year question papers. You have to judge yourself based on your preparation, like whatever you have done for 2023 as per the test series. Because see, and again, previous year, like whatever questions they have asked in previous year question, I am not trying to say that those questions are not worth. I am saying that that is also the part of your preparation. I am only saying that you should not judge yourself that you are doing really good in previous year question paper. I'll tell you why you should not judge. Because many coaching centers, many teachers, or many of your guides, they will be giving you your preparation sessions, I mean lectures, based on previous year question papers. You will not believe many coaching centers what they teach in their, and if you are watching my video for the very first time, you should know that I have qualified GATE Aerospace exam 6 times. I am teaching GATE Aerospace subjects in my own coaching center. It's been 8+ years. Okay, I have given so many selections, and my students are sitting into IIT. They are enjoying their life. So even you can join my coaching center right now. It is the time you can at least join the test series. Now come to the point. When teachers in many coaching centers, some coaching centers are doing really good, some coaching centers are only wasting their time, students' time and students' money. I don't do that. No one can claim that I am solving previous year question paper in my live class. In my live class, I only discuss about the concepts, formulas, facts. Okay, previous year question paper solution is your own responsibility. No doubt, solutions are available on YouTube. I am available for my students. Okay. So point is, many students, many coaching centers, see, don't be in this trap. Those people, actually what they do, in the classroom itself, they will teach such a way that whatever question papers they have already asked, according to that question paper they will take the class. And when a newcomer will go and solve previous question paper, then he or she will realize that, oh my god, we are on perfect track, we are able to solve every single bit, amazing, every question is from notebook. No man, this notebook is from previous question paper. I hope you are getting my logic. Okay, anyway, leave that side, you are more clever than me, I am thinking this. Okay, now consider this one. Students, when you guys will cover December month in this way, then Jan month will come. That is the last hit. In Jan month, you will only be solving full length test series, only full length test series, every day one test series. Okay, if you have not taken the test series, take test series from me, genuine. All the questions are properly tested by my previous batch students. I have corrected all the errors. When I created the test series that year, there used to be error in some questions or while typing the options. So my previous students, they have helped me a lot to filter out all the errors. And this year also, when I am adding new test series, they are helping me to improve them error wise. Okay, because it is very common practice when I make test series, same day I ask my student to solve the test series, and when some good students from my coaching center, when they go through test series, they find some, if they find some error, they let me know, they used to let me know that, okay sir, there is a error and this and that, then I used to correct that in the same moment. Okay, so whatever test series are there on the website, they are completely checked and tested well, so you can take them. In December month, I am after December month, all right now 15 full length test series are ready. Total test series till now for 2022 batch, I have given 275 test series. In that, 15 test series were full length test series, and for 2023 batch students, total number of test series will become 275 400. In that 400 test series, 30 in that total 400 test series, 30 test series is of full length. In that 30, 15 one is the old one and 15 I am adding new. So I have not added yet. Anyway, after December, these things will be available for you. Now I will talk about those students who are not preparing in any coaching center. What will you guys do? Do one thing. Start with either propulsion or a structure. Okay, which subject is comfortable for you, that subject you can keep it for the last part revision. Like for example, mostly in case of self-study students, there is chance that you can be really good in structure. In that case, I am talking about the aircraft structure. In that way, in that case, don't revise aircraft structure right now, because already you are comfortable with that. If you are not comfortable with propulsion, because rarely it will be the case that you are really good in both propulsion and structure, and if you are really good in both propulsion and structure, then it is really good sign. And in that case, propulsion and structure part you can keep in the last, and engineering mathematics, if some portions are remaining, you first focus there. If you will go through the previous year question solution, previous year questions, and like whatever material, study material you are following, then you will come to know that in GATE Aerospace department, our mathematics, engineering mathematics questions are not that tough as compared to, for example, CS, for example, other. So you don't worry about engineering mathematics that much. How much you should prepare engineering mathematics? It is good in chance for us nowadays. Like we are getting, like, again I am not saying that if there are 11 marks for engineering mathematics, then you will be capable of solving all 11 marks. You may do some mistake also, and if you take in this way, then 15 marks your apti, this general ability part, and 10-11 marks, like this itself became your 25 marks. Okay, so engineering mathematics, you make sure you are ready. And in case of propulsion and structure, whatever is uncomfortable, take that part now first. And what should be the way of preparation? First thing, whether you know the concept or not. See guys, actually there is something called time based preparation, there is something called test series based preparation, there is something called crash course based preparation. What kind of mode we have taken right now, whatever time is remaining, according to that, best strategy is, out of propulsion and structure, you choose whatever is tough for you, because if you are not prepared 100%, then already you are out of game in many of the sectors of GATE Aerospace. I mean many of the sections of GATE Aerospace. I hope you are able to understand this part, right? Now, if student, still I am having some cold, that's why my voice is somewhat wet. Still, if you are planning that like propulsion or structures, some days I'll be preparing some lectures or some subjects. No, see, understand this. You make a chart, okay, and in that chart, if you will point out every day schedule, then you will realize time is very less. If you will not do this, then definitely you are going to waste these 17 days, 70 days. You are really going to waste. Jan, you don't even consider as the part of your preparation. Okay, really I am saying. Because in Jan, you will be loaded with nervousness, you will be loaded with negativity. Maybe many people will think that, okay, इस साल बहुत हो गया, अगले साल करेंगे. I mean, this year they will quit mentally. Definitely they will go and attend the exam, but mentally they will go, next year they will come and join the exam. So, like I hope in this broken language you are able to understand where I am trying to take you. Okay, so what you do, best part is, I was about to say that whether your concept is ready or not, whether your notebook is ready or not, whether your test series is ready or not, you do one thing. You make first all 17 days a big chart. Like today, I don't know what is the shooting date. This is 20th of November 2022. So, for, like morning, because I'm shooting late night. So morning, you bring a chart, big chart. On that, you do all the sections 1, 2, 3, 4, and put all the 17 days list. Then you will come to know that how to set. That is your challenge. How to set, in which day, which part you are going to do, in which day, which part you are going to do. Now see, most of the time human behavior is we want to be comfortable, we want to feel comfortable, and in the same way you are going to lose. And you know what, nowadays most of the Indian students, they are comfortable with their loss. Like in our time, in our GATE preparation time, even I used to be, and my friends used to be like comfortable with our loss. We know that we have to study, we know that, but night time they used to playing cards and all. So you get the logic. You don't be comfortable with your loss. You have time remaining, make a schedule. If you can study without schedule, why can't you study with schedule? Many students, they study without schedule. This is your challenge, because if you will study with schedule, then you will be covering many sections. If you are not studying, you are giving more inputs. If you are not studying with schedule, if you are studying without schedule, like more inputs, whole day and night, coffee, tea, propulsion, coffee, tea, structure, coffee, tea, propulsion. What is this? It's better to have some schedule. So making schedule, it is based on your own thing. So again, I am coming to the point. If I will advise you to join my test series, because when you will be completing topic wise test series, then at least you will come to know that, okay, these many formulas are there, these many topics are there to go through. Okay, so that topic and that formula will help you. Okay, so you will be making a chart. In that chart, all the formulas will be there, that okay, this much formulas you have to go through. In my regular batch preparation also, when I teach something, some very important logical formulas, what are the results of 2-3 equations when we combine 2-3 equations. Just an example I'll tell you. Like if you will open Anderson book, there is a formula to calculate V2 and V1 in case of subsonic wind tunnel and in case of venturimeter. Okay, that is very easy formula. With the help of continuity equation and Bernoulli equation, you can actually mix them and you can find out your V1 V2 formula. In that, at the bottom part, only A1 by A2 whole square minus 1 or bracket 1 minus A2 by A1 whole square. Okay, so only by this small change you can keep this formula in mind. So in GATE exam, so that's what I was about to say, that if formula is ready, then many questions, even though if you are not comfortable with the equation, like in GATE exam, maybe your like brain is not working, that okay, let's combine continuity equation and Bernoulli equation and then make solve this equation, because already in these three hours, see, some seniors who are preparing for last 2 years, they will be having this mindset that okay, let's integrate this, okay, differentiate this and find the value of x and put that here. These kind of tricky things only mature students can do. Newcomers cannot do this, because you know what will happen, you will be finishing your GATE exam only in 1.5 hours. 3 hours of GATE exam. And mature students, they will be suffering until their screen is not being off automatically. Some good students don't mind this. You guys are genius, I know. You guys are heroes. You can finish your entire question paper in 5 minutes. I'm not talking about that kind of students. I am talking on average. This is the situation. I hope you're comfortable with this. So, advice is make a big chart. On that chart, put every day, make yourself into the schedule, okay? On every day, what are the subjects, what are the topics, subjects, topics. Many of you will not be aware that how many topics you have to study. Many of you. In that case also, topic-wise test series will help you. So, I have a good package. You take that complete test series package, topic-wise, chapter-wise, subject-wise, blah, 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 blah. You will enjoy that. And that is not going to, the test series is not going to like put you in loss in any way, right? Definitely the test series is going to help you in all the ways. If you are not aware that this topic will come or not, that topic will come or not. If someone is misguiding you that, okay, you do supersonic wind tunnel, all the numericals, blah, blah, they are giving, they are keep, because some, actually, see, I have seen one more thing. Again, don't take me in wrong way. Some students are there. They used to be couple in the college. Now, one of them is in IIT. Now, he or she may be guiding you that, okay, solve this, solve that, solve this, solve that. Or maybe he or she is guiding you in more better way. I have that live example, and I know if you're watching this video, you will come to know that about whom I'm talking, what kind of like past stories are running in this. So, in that case, they are safe side because they are having very close guidance, very, very close guidance. But still, some students are not having that kind of guidance. Maybe you are from that area of your town, small city or big city or somewhere where only you are interested in GATE aerospace. No one else is talking about aerospace. You know what? Recently, before when I was suffering from typhoid, before 10 days during Diwali month, I went to my home. Okay. Still the same. When I used to be in 10th, 11th class, still the same. Like my family, they will wake up on time. They will be having their own commitments and all, and I'll be getting tea and juices and everything on time. And like now, mom and dad, they are not also scolding me for anything like wake up and study and something nowadays. So maybe even like no one is talking about like, okay, you are earning, that's all, it's fine. What if you are happy with your earnings? If you are happy what you are doing, it's fine. For us also, it's totally fine. So in same way, even in your family, the situation will be almost similar. Maybe here and there ups and downs, but almost like your parents or like they'll be comfortable that, okay, you are doing aeronautical aerospace engineering. That was your choice. You are happy now. Now you are preparing for GATE exam. You have chosen self-study or you have chosen Viru sir's concept library coaching. Okay, that's fine. Sir will be responsible. You will be responsible for your result. But see, somewhere you will find that you feel alone. I have gone through that. In my first time preparation, I was not comfortable with that. I was that much weak in the one small subject in last chapter. Like I was knowing that there is something called principal stress, like major stress and minor stress. But I forgot the book name. I was going through the book name once in library, Anna library in Chennai. Then I came to know that there are 3 types of principal stresses. So the highest one we will consider as the major stress, and the lowest one will, anyway these things we don't study in GATE aerospace thing. I mean in 2D is sufficient for us. One plane will be like this and one is 90 degree and all. And then when I during my first preparation, I was like, oh my god, because in our college time also, like it was difficult, like people were uncomfortable with lot of concepts. You may be aware of Aeronautical Society of India and all, how situations are worse, like so much things to study and no one is there to guide properly, and everything you have to study by yourself with the help of books, or some seniors will be making few pages notes, and also that can be boost part for our preparation and all. Anyway, that time was very, but that type of question, that time GATE questions were also not, again, I am not defaming my seniors' hard work and my own classmates' hard works, or my own that generation. Everyone, like according to the time, paper was okay. Otherwise people will say that how can you say that time question paper was not tough or that was easy question paper. No, you have the question paper right. You guys watching the video right now, you have the question paper right. Check the question paper of 2007 and take the question paper of 2022, then compare. If I'm saying wrong, you just comment that sir you are saying wrong. You will realize that nowadays question paper is being little bit tough. Again, I'm not saying that. Okay, now come to the main point. Main point is revision part. So students, self-study students, you make the formula list. Whether you are ready or not on exam date, whether you are ready or not with your test series, whether you are ready or not with your lectures, whether you are ready or not with your notes, whether you are ready or not with anything else, be ready with 100% formulas, and you can consider this as guarantee. There will be so many questions in GATE exam. You may be unaware about the topic and the fundamentals or something, but if you know the formula, you can solve the numerical. Definitely you may not get a very good score based on this, but at least you will be safe side. You will be not like, at least you will be qualifying. I am talking about self-study students, right? So now many students used to text me suddenly after the video that sir give me the list of formulas. What is this, man? You have not joined the course with me. I am guiding you here on YouTube. I am saying my number also, 6380135260, my phone number and all, and these things are so that those students who are interested to join the coaching center, they can join me for the coaching purpose. Okay, it's not like you will take your WhatsApp and you will send me, sir, greetings, good morning, good evening and all, sir, please help me, can you send me the formula list or something. I am very poor and this, that. No, please avoid this part. Even I am poor. Okay, so don't take in this way. Whatever guidance I am giving here, after like mind run, I used to go for kind of dry run, and after that I used to come up like, okay, these things I will share, I will convey here. So main content is revision plan. How to revise? First you will finish engineering mathematics, propulsion and structure, and after that all the aerodynamics and flight mechanics. I'm not talking about space and rocket because many of you will not be having content how to study space and rocket. So if you have the content of space and rocket, then you study in the last, because if you will study space and rocket, then, and if you want to purchase your space dynamics videos, you can just purchase space dynamics videos from me. That only that is 3 hours video, and if you will pause and note down, pause, note down, if you do this, it will take around 6 to 8 hours. So this is the natural length of the video, but that is not the video of live class. That video I have made separately on my iPad. I have written everything. That is best content ever. So from last 2 years I am selling that video alone. Anyway, videos are there, full length also videos are there, but that video especially I am talking space dynamics videos. Okay, so test series either take from me or take from any other institute, but test series is going to help you a lot. If you have money problem, then take the test series from that institute, whoever is giving you in cheap price, but I am not sure about like their question. They have taken the question from. Okay, I hope you understand this part also. And one guidance, last guidance, whenever you are purchasing test series from any coaching center or from any guide, whoever is providing you test series, make sure you should be available with all the solutions. This should not be the case. Like we used to get stuck in our time. One of my friend, he purchased the test series in our time, and he used to send me the screenshots that how to solve this, and I was like, some questions I was able to solve, some questions like, man, even I don't know how to solve this in my time. So solution must be there, and this should be authentic solution. At least you should be reachable to the person who is sending you the test series, that sir, this solution I could not understand, sir, what you are trying to say in this solution, these things, like. And they used to charge 8,000, 6,000, 10,000. A number of test series, 10, 6, 12, 100, only this much. 100 recently came when I came with this much huge numbers. Okay, I hope you understand everything, and be very transparent. I mean, you try to make them transparent with you if you are not taking test series from me. Okay, intention of my videos is not to defame anyone, not to put anyone's coaching down, because I truly believe that everyone is working in that way, that all they should, like any coaching centers, they are working in this way only, that they can create rankers, they can create all India rankers, they can give their best material. But still many coaching centers, they have not revised their test series from last so many years. One student came to me and he said the same story, that sir, before 2-3 years also the test series was same, and now also test series is same in that particular coaching center, and still they have not provided the solution. So anyway, whenever you are taking the test series, make sure about all these things. Okay. And I don't know, when you are taking the test series, what they say, what they do, those things and all. I hope things you understood in my way. And if you have any query, just put this in the comment box, and if that is logical, I will definitely give answer. Or you can directly take my number and come to the WhatsApp for genuine queries. Don't ask anything for free. Like, sir, you send me, sir, I am very poor, sir, this is page analysis, what you are saying, sir, please, sir, avoid this, please avoid this. Okay, thank you.